Create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Type your text. Create a solid color layer. And make it white. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Convert to Smart Object. Select Halftone Pattern. Pattern type, line. You can copy the settings I used. Make the blending mode vivid light. Select the text layer. Go to Filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Convert to Smart Object. I use a radius of 5 pixels. Double-click on the Filter Gallery layer if you want to make any adjustments. You can change the size of the lines, for example. And that's how you create this text effect.